And a massive protest along a torch rally was held in Tripura's Agartala by the State Youth Congress. Protesters are agitating against the new agriculture reform bills. The protesters raised slogans against the government and the farm bills. Tripura Pradesh Congress President in a press conference announced that Congress activists and leaders will participate in Speak Up for Farmers on September 26th through video posts in different social media platforms to scale up ante against the BJP government on agriculture bills issue. Here's a report. Hundreds of Congress and Youth Congress supporters with burning torches in their hands gathered in front of Tripura Pradesh Congress head office in capital Agartala as they raised slogans against Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his government. For passing the farm bills during the monsoon session of Parliament. Tripura Congress President Piyush Kanti Biswas terming the farm bill as black law against the interest of the farmers of India and announced in coming days there shall be massive dharnas and protests in front of the Raj Bhavan and all constituencies throughout the state for withdrawal of the bill.
And we are going to start massive agitation program including the dharna in front of Raj Bhavan and including dharnas in all assembly constituencies, district levels, state level. There will be massive movement for withdrawal of these black bills law as because it is against the interest of the farmers of India.
Later, the protesters also took to the streets around that area as a symbol of protesting in the street. The Youth Congress President of Tripura Unit, Pujan Biswas said that the farmers' bill will do no good, rather weaken the farmers as unlike America, the economy and employment of India dependent on the hard-working farmers. And due to the bill, if they are weakened, they shall have no other option but to commit suicide. Further criticizing the bill, he said that with the removal of MSP, the government will no more buy the produce from the farmers. And in such a situation, they shall solely depend upon the wish of the private parties and who shall control the market and the price of the producers.
Farmer bill, completely anti-farmers, and these bill will do nothing benefit for the farmers, rather they will weaken all the farmers of our nation. As you all know, India is not a country like other American type countries. It is a country, India is a country which entire employment and this economy is dependent upon our farmers. Under this bill, this MSP has been removed, the minimum selling price. So therefore, the government won't buy these food commodities, these farm commodities from our farmers. They will directly give it to some private institutions, and the most probability is not to buy with the proper price. That will harm the farmers. They won't get the correct price they deserve for it.
Congress leaders and activists has announced to observe Kisan Mazdoor Bachao Divas on the birth anniversaries of Mahatma Gandhi and former Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri on October 2nd. State-level Kisan Conference will be held on October 10th next. While supporting the Farm Bill, the government said this will bring revolutionary changes in the lives of farmers. Bureau Report.